Meaning of grovelling.
Groveling.
Grovelling.
Groveling.
Groveling. Groveling refers to the act of showing excessive submission or humility, often in a demeaning way. It involves behaving in a subservient manner towards someone in order to gain favor or forgiveness. Groveling can also be seen as an act of desperation in situations where one feels powerless. The word has negative connotations and is often associated with protests, apologies, or requests for mercy. People may resort to groveling when they are afraid of consequences or perceive themselves to be in a position of inferiority. Ultimately, groveling can lead to a loss of dignity and self-respect.